It was a place that was literally stinking due to lack of toilets. People were forced to defecate in the open. You could not blame them because they had no other option. But now it has more than 100 toilets, all thanks to the efforts of the PDO and the people.
Welcome to Badas. It's a small village. Situated around 35 kilometers from Belagavi, it has a population of a little more than 7,000. For a long time, this small village had to face a lot of troubles. That is because this village had no toilets. So these poor villagers had to travel long distances to answer the call of nature. And think of the women here. Poor souls. They too had to travel long distances on the outskirts. In all, it was very pathetic and embarrassing situation for the villagers here. It wasn't just about embarrassment. The environment too had spoiled. And imagine the plight of the visitors to the village. They would have to close their noses whenever they made their way into this place. Such was their plight that they had to endure literally agonizing moments. And naturally, they were left fuming and fretting and even cursing the village. This had been going on for several years. Even though the poor villagers wanted to end the practice, they were not able to, as they were helpless. In this manner, things were going on. And the entry of one man changed their fortunes. Meet Ashok Mirzi. He's the Panchayat Development Officer who was transferred to this tiny village around 6 months ago. Well, when he took charge, he too was shocked to see the pathetic situation here. He was moved by the plight of the villagers here, especially women. And that is when he resolved to make a change. So what did he do? Well, as days went by, he held a meeting with the Gram Panchayat president and its members. They too told him about the poor state in which the villagers were and were ready to offer their help. So they all decided to do something constructive in order to help the villagers. That is when Ashok told them that they could build toilets in the village so that people could use them. Further, Ashok also told them that they should build these toilets in a time period of 1 week. But the officers were not very optimistic about this idea. So they told him that it was not a feasible idea, but at this point, the PDO decided to take them to every household of the village and educate them about the importance of toilets. In this regard, he actually went to each and every household along with his officials, telling the villagers that toilets need to be built for a better life. He also organized a program called Swachhotsava, in which more and more informative talks were held about the importance of toilets. Once these villagers were convinced, the PDO decided to build as many as 101 toilets in just 1 day. So he even put as many as 167 workers to realize this dream of building so many toilets in 1 day. They worked round the clock and finally pulled off a coup.
ಒಂದು ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ 101 ಶೌಚಾಲಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆವರೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜನರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಈ 101 ಅಲ್ಲ 110 ಒಂದು ಶೌಚಾಲಯನ ನಾವು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 101 ಶೌಚಾಲಯಗಳು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಊರಿನ ಜನರ ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸದಸ್ಯರ ಸಹಕಾರ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊರಕಿತು.
It's a revolution out there indeed. From a village that had no toilets to a village that had so many toilets in the service of the villagers was nothing short of a miracle. Well, when the PDO built these toilets, other villagers also were enthused about it. So they too started building toilets. Today, in all, there are 134 toilets in the village. And what's more, the PDO, in collaboration with his officials, has succeeded in making the village a toilet-free place. It's a record now that as many as 101 toilets were built in just one day. Well, it's not just about toilets. The women of this village used to be subjected to eve teasing, but now such things have stopped. The village has become a model for other villages. It is clean and free of open defecation. As it is a model village, people from other villages too come here to learn about the good habits and how it has been made clean. They too want to emulate this in their villages and enjoy the benefits. Such has been the reputation of this village that even MLA Sanjay Patil paid a visit to this village and expressed his happiness and contentment over the way things have been done here. What was once a really bad village has now made a name for itself. People from all over the state are visiting this place to learn how it's done. Srikant Kubbakatti for News 9 Belagavi.